Hi guys, today we're going to see how to cube two-digit numbers and that too extremely very fast, very quick. Now, let's start this entire process of cubing numbers. Now, before we cube the numbers, we are going to divide our numbers in four categories. All the two-digit numbers, we will divide them in four categories. So we have the first category, the second category, the third category, and the fourth category. Just let us see how these categories are going to make us a difference while if you try to cube them. So first of all, numbers which start with 1. So you have numbers which start with 1. For example, 12, 13, 14, 15, and so on. Then numbers which end with 1. We have numbers which will end with 1. End with 1 means I'm talking about numbers which are 21, 31, 41, 51, so on and so forth. Then let us find out which numbers are double digits. These are double digits. What are double digits? We are talking about numbers which are 22, 33, 44, so on. Correct? And last, we can write down when two digits are different, like different digits. There is no relation, different digits. Okay, so when the two digits are different, how to write them? Two digits are different. Okay, when I say two different digits, I mean to say numbers like say 23 or 42 or 35, so on. Now the easiest category to cube here is the number starting with 1. The entire band is spread with the method with the ease of calculation. So let's see how to do that. Let's go to the next level, next page, and here we are going to have numbers which start with 1. So we are going to talk about 12 cube. See, 12 cube. First of all, when you want to cube 12, you're going to, any number cubing, you are going to give 4 dashes, 4 dashes. Correct? First, the first digit, which is 1. Then second, you're going to write the 2 as it is. In the third place, you'll write 2 square, which is going to be a 4. And in the last place, you'll write 2 cube, which is going to be 8. Simple. Now, you have to cross the digits here. First digit cross, second digit cross. We don't need that. Okay. And in the between places, we are going to double the number. So 2 double is 4 and 4 double is going to give you 8. At the end, we are going to add all of them. This is going to be 1. 4 plus 2. See, 4 plus 2 is 6. And there is a carryover, but I'll do it right now. Then later on, you can do it together. 4 plus 2 is 6. 8 plus 4, 12. That 12 we can write as a carryover, and the 8. Your final answer is 1728. Very easy, right? Let's do one more number. Let's see 13 cube. What am I going to do? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. You write the 1, 3 as it is, 3 square 9, and 3 cube 27. Right? Now, 3 cube 27. Okay. Now, what are we wanting to do? We are going to cross the numbers which are in the end. So we don't want this number and we do not want this number. What are we going to do? We are going to double the number. What is the double of 3? Double of 3 is 6. And what is the double of 9? It is 18. And then finally, you got to add the numbers, which is going to be 1. 3 plus 6 is 9. 18 plus 9 will give you 27, that you can write down like this. And this 27 also you can write down like this. What is your answer? 19 plus 2 will give you 21. 9 and 7. That's your answer. I hope it was very easy. Continue to do 14 cube, 15 cube. Write down in the comments below what you got your answers for 14 cube, 15 cube, and I'll reply if your answers are right or wrong. All right. Let's take the next type of digit that we saw, which was 21 cube, or rather numbers where they are going to end with 1. Numbers which are ending with 1. numbers which will end with 1. Numbers ending with 1, so let us say 2, 1, that is 21, and 21 cube. See, this is the same thing that we did, just that it is going to be reversed. So again, we are going to give 4 dashes here. Okay, first, if you want to write reverse, you can write reverse, but normally we don't do that. We write from left to right every time. So 2, here 2 cube is 8, 2 square is 4, here is 2 and 1. Now, if you think that it's comfortable for you to write down 1, 2, 4, 8 like this, it's up to you. You can do it. That's no issue. Again, you cross out the first digit. 4 double is 8, 2 double is 4. 8, 8 plus 4 gives you a 12. 4 plus 2 gives you a 6 and a 1. Answer is 9261. Simple. Yeah, very easy. Okay, let's go ahead and do 31 cube. 31 cube. 1, 2, 3, 4. 31 cube. 3 cube is equal to 27. Then 3 square is equal to 9. Then you have a 3 and you have a 1. You do not need these two numbers, 9 double 18 and 3 double 6. So this is going to be 27. This, okay, if you want to do it like this, 18 plus 9 is also 27. This is going to give you a 9 and this is going to give you a 1. Now, you see there's a carry over here. So what are you going to do? You're going to take 27. This is a 27 and a 91. Your answer is going to be 29791. It is much faster than multiplying the numbers with each other. Trust me on this. Yeah? All right. Let's see when the numbers are double digits like 22, 33 and so on. Let's see how to cube 22. All right. So we are going to see numbers which are double digit. So basically 22 cube. So again, we are going to give 4 dashes. So this time we are going to write the cube of 2 because it is a double digit. We are going to write a cube of 2 on all the places. So that's going to give you 8, 8, 8 and 8. What is 8? It is a cube of 2. So 2 cube is equal to 8 and that 8 is what we are writing everywhere, right? Now, what is going to be the first and the last digit? Similarly, we are going to remove them. So we don't need this digit and we don't need this digit. 8 double 16, 8 double 16. So you write the 8, you have 24, here you have 24 and again you have 8. Now you know we have to do the carryovers, correct? What are you going to do? 8, then you have 24, then you have another 24 and then you have 8. Let's put in place. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, 6, 4, 8. I hope you guys are getting it. It's very easy, absolutely not difficult at all right? Let's see how to use the same. You can try this on 33 cube, on 44 cube, on 55 cube and put your answers in the comment. Let us see how far you are right. Okay, now let us take 23 cube where the numbers are different. I always forget to write the topic there where the two digits are different, where you have different digits. Okay, now basically let us try to cube 23. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in the first place, you're going to write down. I'm going to write here what to write in the first place, so you can see easily and understand what I'm going to, write here with a sequence. Okay, so you have 2 cube first of all, then 2 square multiplied by 3. Then you have here, you're going to write down 3 square multiplied by 2, and then you have gone 3 square. Oh, sorry, 3 cube. Correct? Now, what is that we have here? We have a 3 cube. 1 second. Sometimes the board just acts very funny. Okay. And we have here, we have 3 cube. All right, now what are we going to do? 2 cube. What is 2 cube? 2 cube is 8. Then 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4, and 4 into 3. What is 4 into 3? 12. You can do this mentally, correct? Then 3 square. 3 square is 9, and 9 into 2. So that will give you 18. And then 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. Have you all understood this? This all can be done mentally. I'm trying to show this to you just so that you can understand what to write. So this is not required here. All right. Then same thing we are going to do. We are going to cross this out. We are going to cross this out. You're going to double this number, which is equal to 24. And then you're going to double this number, which is equal to 36. And then, as usual, let us see. You have 8. In this section, you have 36. In this section, you have 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. That will give you 54. And this section, you have 27. Now you have 8, 36 carry over, 54 carry over, 27 to carry over, and then 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 1 12, and then you have a 1, a 6, and a 7. So 1 2 1 6 7. This is your answer. Try to take different numbers. Try to see if you can cube them. This is a very, very easy method to cube numbers. If you practice, you will become the master of it. And if you think that you can use this method in your school and everything, trust me, you'll save a lot of time during your exams. These kind of methods are also useful when you are appearing for any kind of Olympiads or any kind of mental math competitions. In case if you feel that you want to join in the entire course of mental math and learn such different tips and tricks on mathematics, let us know. We are starting with a new batch coming up very soon. Contact us. We have our contact details put up in the description. You can contact us, DM us, let us know. We will get in touch with you with all the new details. Thank you so much. Bye bye.